Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Chevy Volt door panel. This is a straightforward task that you can easily accomplish with a few basic tools. First, gather your plastic trim tools and a 7mm socket. It is also important to make sure your window is completely rolled up. Taking these initial steps will help ensure a smooth and successful removal process. Now, let's tackle those hidden fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover behind your interior door handle using a plastic trim tool. This will reveal one bolt that needs to be removed. Next, lift the rubber mat inside the armrest pull. Beneath it, you will find 2 more bolts to unscrew. With the bolts removed, it is time to release the panel clips. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. Work your way around the entire perimeter, listening for the clips to pop free. Take your time to avoid damaging the panel or the door. You are almost there. Once all clips are released, lift the door panel straight up to unhook it from the window channel. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors for your window switches and speaker. Finally, release the door lock retainer cable from the interior door handle. With these final disconnections, your Chevy Volt door panel is completely removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.